This video provides a quick overview of how to cut Raex steels. This is Gustav. He is very particular about his food and his work, which is making high-value steel parts. Today, Gustav needs to cut a Raex plate into smaller sections so he can fabricate replacement wear parts for his mining customer. Gustav could cut the Raex plate using laser, water jet, flame, plasma, or even mechanical cutting. But he needs to determine the most cost-effective method to achieve both high precision and efficient nesting of the cut pieces. Gustav will also be bending the pieces, so he wants to eliminate any preparation work between the cutting and bending processes. In some ways, water jet cutting would be the best solution, since the hardness properties of the cut edges would be virtually the same as the original material. But for this customer, that is not a priority, nor is water jet fast enough or within the customer's budget. For the highest precision while also minimizing the heat-affected zone, Gustav chooses laser cutting rather than plasma or flame cutting. If using default laser cutting parameters, Gustav knows the best cut-edge quality can be achieved with mill-scale or shot-blasted surfaces. If the plate was primer-coated, Gustav would evaporate, burn away the primer. Otherwise, he would need to reduce the cutting speed, which he does not want to do. Depending on the Raex grade used and its thickness, preheating may or may not be required. To determine the preheating temperature before thermal cutting, Gustav uses the Raex Smart website tool. You can eliminate the preheating process if you make your cutting speed suitably slow, and when cutting nozzles and other equipment are chosen accordingly. When thermal cutting plates are 30 millimeters or more in thickness, the distance between cutting lines must be at least 200 millimeters to avoid the softening of the entire plate. To help control softening, strategically plan your cutting order. Following these recommendations, Gustav finds it straightforward to cut Raex steels. Go to raexsteel.com. There, you'll find our welding cutting brochure, which covers Raex workshop properties, as well as Raex Smart, our online interactive recommendation tool for bending and welding all Raex grades and setting preheating temperatures for thermal cutting. In no time, you'll be cutting our hard, strong steel with confidence and precision.